First catch, boys. First catch. First catch, guys. What's up, guys? It is now probably about 9:30 a.m. Saturday morning. I've been out here at Sycamore Island since, about 6. I've been on the water. And, of course, I just caught this guy off camera. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get the light here. There we go. And a little 2.5 pounder there. Y'all see that? I don't know if you guys can see the scale numbers. I really don't know. But I'm going to get this guy back in the water. This is my first catch of the day. And like I said, I've been on the water for about, 3 hours. And let's get her back in the water. And she's gone. Oh yeah, she's gone. And let me show you guys what I'm using here. I'm using my 6'6". This is the Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2 with a reel my son got for me a few Father's Days ago. This is a Shakespeare Durango. Its number is 2235RD. And I just got some 12-pound mono on there. And got a little knot from that fish. Okay, that came out. Let me show you guys what I'm using here. Clean that off so you can see it. I'm using Bass Pro Shop Stickos. This is a combo kit I got. It came with like 9 or 10 different colors. And this is the 4th one I've used today. And this is the only one I've ever caught a fish on. This is the only one that has put in the work and caught a fish. And I also, let me show you what I did to it here. I put a little bit of smell good on it. Where's my smell good? Oh, there it is. My bait mate fish attractant. This is live game fish, ultra concentrated formula. I saw one of the other fishing YouTubers did a comparison video on all 3 of the different colors yesterday, and I've had this bottle sitting in my bass bag for like years, and now the pump just decided to stop working. And I've had it for years. You can see it's half gone and very dirty. And so I decided, you know what? I never used that stuff at Sycamore, so I'm going to give it a try. I did. And I just caught that big old mama you guys just saw, a 2.5 pounder. So, and I can't show you the way I got the worm rigged up. It's a bit of a secret. I have to ask permission to show you guys how I have that worm rigged on there, because the rig does not belong to me. I'm sure he'll let me show you guys. And what it does is, instead of the hook being up at the worm's head, it's basically in the middle of the worm. You can even put it down to the tail, and it keeps the worm from the fish from short striking the worm and just getting the tail. If he gets the tail, he's getting the hook. And all I was doing when I caught that fish was just reel, and I was just popping it in, and she just ka-chowed it there. That was kind of cool. I was not expecting that. I was yelling at my girlfriend across the other side of the pond. She actually works here, and I was reeling that in, and bam, and she yelled across. She said, "I see the bend in your pole." I was like, "Yeah." It was kind of cool. So let's see if we can do that again. And I was using this same retrieve. Pop, pop, reel, pop, pop, reel, and she smacked it. And it was, I think it was real close too. It wasn't very far out when she hit it. And I keep casting to the exact same spot. Good grief. At first when she hit, I thought I was stuck on a branch or something. And then I noticed my line was like swinging over to the right. So I had to go to work on that one. And we got her. I just suck at camera work because my GoPro was turned off. Sorry, guys. Well, the fight really didn't last very long. She gave up pretty quick for a 2.5 pounder. That's kind of weird, but she gave up pretty fast. So let's see if we can do that again. I'd like to get one that you guys can actually see on camera, just like the one yesterday when I was actually in the kayak and caught one. It was a little guy, as you guys saw in the video. It's the very first fish catch from yesterday's. So yes, there are fish in Sycamore Island. This is, like I said, the trout pond. What's up, guys? It is Sunday now, and I'm still out here fishing, and here's my first catch. A snack. First catch of the day here, guys. Come here. Thank you. Buzzbait, yep. Oh yeah. Woo. Little 2-pounder. Hell yeah, thank you. There he is, guys. First catch of the day, 2-pounder. You want to see him? Ah, shit. He got away. I'll get him again. Hi.
Nice catch.
Thank you.
Wait, you're a vlogger? I think I saw one of your videos before.
Probably. If it was here in Fresno, it was me.
Yeah. I think Scratchy, I think.
Fishing noob. Right on. Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I needed that. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you.